Hey everyone, I have a 2013 Toyota Highlander. This bottom passenger side fog light wasn't working, so I decided to take apart the tire panel to access it and see what was going on behind. Perfect. And then do the other one.
Here?
Yep. All right, so going into this project, I thought that I had a blown light bulb. So I went out, purchased the light bulb, came out to $19.37. There's the part number. But upon entering the wheel well, I noticed that it had simply just disconnected. So I connected it back, and that's it.